This is the second video showing a reminders app called Due, and as I explained in my first video, links in the description if you want to watch it, the big difference between the Due Reminders app and the Reminders app that comes with Apple devices is that Due continues to remind you until you stop it. It has an auto snooze, so it can auto snooze, turn itself off every 5 minutes or every minute and then start up again. And then you stop it when you're satisfactorily reminded. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Due to set up a reminder to take medication. Now, before I show you that, it's worth mentioning there is no foolproof electronic system to remind you to do this, although I find this far more reliable than relying on my memory. Having said all that, let me show you how to set up a reminder for daily medication you need to be reminded to take each day at a certain time. Okay, so here I am inside the Due app, and all we've got to do is come up to the top right where you see this little plus button, click that, and then we'll type in here eye medication. Okay, so whatever your medication is, and then we'll say that we want that, we'll click this orange bar here, and we'll say we want that to happen every day at 9 a.m. So we'll do that. We'll go save. Then we'll just go back into it. And then see this, this is the reoccurring button here with the arrows going in both directions. So we click that and we say that we want it daily at 9 a.m. You can have all sorts of different ways to remind yourself, whether it's every second day or every Monday, but we're going to say daily. So that's going to happen at 9 a.m. every day. And this is fairly important. So where it's got the auto snooze button, you can see it's got 5 minutes at the moment. We're going to change that to every minute and then go OK. And now you can see it starts tomorrow at 9 a.m. and it will remind you every day at that hour. And that's how simple it is to set up your reminders for your medications. Thanks for watching.